Yep, that's me. Last place in Cleetus McFarland's Danger Ranger 9000 at the Freedom Factory. Probably wondering how I got in this situation. Well, let's go back to the beginning.
Glad I could entertain you folks while you build this nice Danger Ranger.
This is the old clutch, because you know, changing it 4 days before the event was a good idea. There's a new one.
Oh, hey guys.
Hi.
No, you're not just doing some shop mechanic in here.
Oh yeah.
Got a little die grinder, sand bed.
Oh, fancy.
What's the tower we're working on right now?
Michael's got a potato and the pilot bearing for the transmission, and yeah, we got a potato in it. I'm trying to get it out. Couldn't get the pilot bearing out, so we're currently torching it. Smell like French fries down there?
Actually, yeah.
We missed testing, but that's fine. We'll just be down there early Saturday, and we're taking a couple rips and take it on the road, kind of a little bit, take it around. There's a few back roads over here, so we'll do that, and let's see how it goes, I guess. We just took the Ranger for its first rip. It's freaking great with that new clutch in there and everything else we did to it. I'm super excited for Saturday. Still got a few more things to do. Most importantly, just don't blow it up before Saturday, because I'd be pretty pissed if I did that.
Did you find it? I said, you find it?
No, we're just gonna send it without a fuel cap.
All right. Sounds good. Beautiful.
We just wanted to throw in a small intermission because, to be honest, these are piece of shit Rangers. We have no idea if they can go 60 straight.
All right, remember your training, Tyler.
Yeah, remember that NASCAR game you played like
At Beefs.
when you were a kid? Yeah.
The front tire here is there.
Yeah.
How'd it feel?
Miserable. I need more traction.
Yeah, for stretch tires are not good.
Nope. Well, that was first practice lap. We'll adjust some things, and it felt good. I mean, I was clearly not the fastest one.
Was the back end going around?
No, the front end was just, I had a bit of understeer.
Oh, what was the back one?
On that far side, it's worse. On this side, it's really bumpy, but on that side, I just kept swinging wide. Those sparks up the butt don't feel too good.
What is it, just wire?
Yeah, it literally the plug was bad.
Just keeps it from spraying as bad.
Yeah.
What do you think? You got the real estate broker by day?
All right, try it.
How about this 93 single cab?
Get it still up. Give it the throttle.
Now here's the question, do we take the bed back down?
Oh, yeah, I'll just leave it.
That is your official driver lineup. Here begins our Summit Racing Base Lap. All right, boys. Base lap. Giveaway to our racers. 40 laps, 60 laps. They're going to win.
It's showtime! Boogity, boogity, boogity! Ooh, let's go racing today, boys!
McQueen is in the wreckage. There's no way the rookie can make it through. Not in one piece, that is.
So we're in 8th place right now. That's amazing for coming to second to last.
Doing great.
Thanks, man. Thanks, man.
Awesome.
Ranger's running good. Ranger's running good.
Yeah, Ranger's running fine.
You got tail light over there.
All right, go.
All right, just keep it up, man. You're doing good.
All right, well that's the end of the Thot Patrol. Started in 35th, ended in did not finish. Yeah, so basically,
the only 4-cylinder out.
Yeah, only 4-cylinder, 5-speed out here, and did pretty good. Definitely wish I would have finished the race, but that's another story. Let's go look at the damage and see what it looks like. Fuel pump went out and basically just went to crap on us. Sad day. You can definitely tell where I hit the wall. That's freaking great. Oh, I lost my tail. Yeah, that's where I hit my tail light.
That was the first
yeah, that was the first one?
No, that was you did like the first wall tap within like the first like 10 minutes of the race or 10 laps of the race.
Oh, really?
You tapped the wall and I saw your tail light go.
Oh, well. Oh, yeah, one thing I forgot to mention earlier in the video was I broke the seat. So we had to zip tie it. I was literally sitting in the seat and Ethan was zip tying me back in so I could run, but couldn't fix the fuel pump, so we couldn't go back out, which really sucks, but I'm kind of glad I didn't because I just broke it just pushing it. I mean, just going around the corner. Like if my fuel pump, both are broke. Look at that. I thought it was just one. No, both of them are broke. Oh my gosh. So just the harness was holding me in. So I snapped
I snapped grade A bolts when I hit that wall. That kind of tells you how hard I hit that wall. Oh, you can't really tell from that clip, but I hit that wall hard. It's like, it still hurts my neck and my knees. Ugh.